Welcome to the analysis video on TTOO. So to get straight into it, we can see we are currently sitting around 25 cents, which is basically on our first deviation resistance on the 4 hours. So if we go onto the intraday chart, we can see right now we kind of broke over, but weren't able to come back, retest and hold it. So right now what we are really looking for is a break back over this 26-27 cent mark. Kind of break back to this 30, and we want to come back and really retest this and make sure buying pressure comes in and we push to a new high, because then we would most likely go to that next target. And where would our next target be? 33 cents. Obviously these moves don't sound massive, but you got to realize this is literally a 25 cent stock, so the move from 25 cents to 33 cents is still a 23.5% move, which is absolutely ridiculous. But either way, those are our two closest levels, and then with a bit more of a push, we do have our next resistance, which is the second deviation of the 4 hour at $42, and then our third deviation resistance at 57 cents. And I have noticed, I think I do keep saying dollars for some reason, but I do mean cents because it's such a low value stock. I'm not really used to analysing these stocks too often. But our next resistance is going to be at 60 cents. As that is our second deviation on the daily. And then going on to kind of our final key resistance would be this 87 cents, as that is our third deviation on the daily chart. Now we do have our fourth deviations that we can look at 73 cents and $1.15. Fourth deviations, though, we don't tend to use these as much, as we're more focused on the first, second and third deviations because they tend to hold more weight. But if the stocks do break into their fourth deviations, you can always use these levels and they will probably work out. So seeing this, these are our key resistances. Now, if we want to look lower at more support levels, what are these support levels going to be? Well, at around 20 cents, we do have our half deviation on both the 4 hour and the daily. So this is a support we could look at going lower down. But then really the only level we have lower down than that is around 16 cents, which would be our gap fill area. And if we come down to that level, we would kind of forget about the stock, because really there'll be better momentum elsewhere, because yeah, if it comes down to here, the momentum is most likely dead. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to see another small cap analysis video from today, go here. And if you want to see the strategy I trade every single day in the stock market, go here.